So you remember that story I told you guys, I think last month, June, when I talked about a friend of mine, kind of acquaintance of mine, a big friend of mine that was getting engaged to a man that was destroying her things. Each time he gets angry, he will go and burn her property. You remember that story I told you guys? I don't enter trouble. Both of us have not been in talking terms ever since I posted that story and she came across it. She said, why will I put her story out there on Facebook that even if she wants to marry someone that is destroying her property, it's not my business. I should go and mind my business. Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to delete that video. The reason why I'm not going to delete that video is because I didn't mention her name. The most important thing is I didn't mention her name. So I can't take down the video. And I cannot take back those things I said. I cannot apologize for expressing how I felt about a certain thing. I'm sorry, I didn't mention your name, but I just told people. And if you can look at that post, that video, and the comments that came on that video, you will know that people are telling you the truth. People commented, okay? The comments of people went a very long way to tell you that you're not on the right track. Yes, I know it's none of our business, so we are not concerned if you're marrying someone that is destroying your things. It's not our business. It's not for us to decide or to say. But if you have problem in that relationship or in that marriage and you want to, it's still the society you come back to cry to. Okay, we're not saying you shouldn't marry the man you love. We're not saying you should not marry the man that came to marry you or the man that wants to marry you. We're saying teach him how to control his anger. Advise him to go and take up anger management classes. Let him go for therapy. He's only someone that is damaged or dysfunctional that will get angry and destroy another person's property. Least of all your partner's property. That's not good. I, for one person, will not even date someone that shouts at me self. If you're angry, you don't shout at me. Talk more of destroying my property. So whatever I said there, I didn't say anything to hurt your feelings or to attack you. I was just saying it to express to people how I feel and to let other people that might be in your situation learn from that. Marriage is not a do or die affair. It's not even by force. You must marry that guy. How can you say you're in love with somebody that destroys your things? Maybe because once he destroys, he'll come and give you back. He'll give you money to go and buy it again. It doesn't make sense to me. And baby girl, I didn't mean any harm. I just wanted to to open your eyes while making this lifetime decision. Okay, this lifetime decision. This is a lifetime something, and this is someone you're going to live with for the rest of your life. You don't know if it's going to change along the line for the worse. And the reason why I was saying that is because marriage is a very big commitment and it's a lifetime commitment that once you get into a bad marriage, it's very difficult to come out. It's not easy. Many people that are in bad marriages, it's not because they still want to be there, but they are still hoping that their partners will change from their bad behaviors and the things that they are not doing right. That is why they are still there. They are not there because they cannot come out. It's not easy to come out of a marriage. It's not easy the way we think. Some of us that are still unmarried will be saying any small thing will say, if he doesn't do well, I'll walk out, I will divorce him, I will go away. When you enter that marriage, that's when you will know that it's not easy to come out of a bad marriage. Even bad relationships when no good, you don't easily come off from that. I can remember when I dated a guy that was damaged. I didn't know the guy was emotionally damaged. I didn't know that guy was a sadist and narcissist. In fact, the guy was just damaged. I didn't know. I dated that guy, and it was a short relationship of 2 months, but and it was because I had a strong conviction within my spirit that I can't date someone that behaves this way. Any small provocation, any small misunderstanding I have with that guy, the guy will say a lot of damaging, like spirit killing things. This guy will insult me, tell me how ugly I look. That is it. Oh, I mean, I know I'm not ugly, but imagine if it's somebody that didn't believe in themselves, someone that their self-esteem is not strong enough, and they are every time someone is reminding you that you're ugly, you are this, you're that. The guy was talking down on me in every way he could. When I started noticing those things about him, I didn't leave immediately. You see, it was just a relationship but I didn't know how to live immediately. Not to talk more of marriage. So the reason why I was saying I made that video and I was saying all those things I said was for you to rethink your decision to marry that guy. Rethink. Maybe he's meant to be your husband. Maybe you're the one that's meant to change him. But make sure at least you have seen at least 70% of change on his anger behavior before you can marry him. How can you marry someone that when he gets angry, he will go and burn your clothes, burn your things, smash your phone? Me, I just said what I have in mind. I didn't say it to throw you or for content's sake. I just put it out there so that people who are in that relationship, in that kind of relationship, will learn from your lesson and know if they are going to change their decision. It's just like someone that will marry a man that is cheating, a community prick, a man that Ojamwe Mog, someone that uses his prick to share to the whole community girls, and you know that the guy is cheating on you. You know this guy is a chronic cheat. You open your two korokoro eyes, you go marry the guy. Even when people were telling you, girl, this guy is a cheato, you still went ahead and married him. Tomorrow, if something goes wrong with that marriage, or maybe the guy is now cheating beyond your peering, you now come out and start crying to the same people that told you not to marry him in the first place. Girl, I'm not jealous of you. I can never be jealous of anybody in this life. Talk more of you. Your choice of man is not even my choice of man. So if you don't marry the guy, don't be me go marry him. Honestly, I'm being honest with you. I can't marry such a damage. I couldn't even date a damaged man for more than 2 months. Not talk of getting married to one. I left the relationship. That guy kept on talking down on me. Any little provocation, the guy would just talk down on me. I advised myself. Nobody told me. Nobody told me to walk away. I walked away myself. So, baby girl, I meant no harm with my advice. I meant no harm with my video, my Facebook video. I meant no harm. I just meant well for you. I want you to reconsider your decision. Okay? Even if you're going to still marry the guy, which I want him for you. He's a cute guy. He's a hardworking person. He takes care of you. But you see that anger aspect of him, that he destroys things whenever he's angry. Ah, that is the one that does not sit well with me. Oh. And I'll keep saying it. I know you're angry with me. Even as a matter of fact, I've not been talking to each other. You see me, you do your eye like say you don't see me. The other day I went to buy a car across the road. You saw me, you ran away, you took off. I will not say ran away because not be me they chase you. I know you don't want to be talking to me. You're angry. Probably you don't know how to face me, or you are regretting telling me things you're facing in your relationship. I know that, but at least, babe, I meant well. I only meant well. I didn't mean to hurt you in my Facebook post. I didn't mean to throw you. That's why I didn't even mention your name. So nobody will even know that I'm talking about you. I only made that video so that you and other people in your situation will rethink their decisions. Okay? Don't date anybody that puts you in perpetual pain. That's the person consciously puts you in perpetual pain. If it's something that maybe does something unintentionally, it's pardonable. But this one we say go vex, you go just carry your phone, smash am, carry your wig, burn am, carry your clothes, burn am. That one, I know I still take my stand. I still take my stand. I will not advise you to marry that man in that state. If you want to marry him, let him go for anger management classes. Let him work on his anger issues.